Let's start with the second asana, which is Kati Chakrasana. Kati means waist and chakra means rotation. So now we are going to twist our waist. So in Kati Chakrasana, we stand with our feet shoulder width apart. Toes pointing to the front. Balance your weight properly on both the feet. Arms by the sides, close to the body. As you inhale, bring your arms in front of the chest at the level of your shoulders. Imagine you're holding a box between your palms. And as you exhale, twist from your waist to the right. Look over your right shoulder. Your feet are firmly placed on the floor. And if your palms are not facing each other, they're not in line with each other, adjust them. So you can adjust your arms from the shoulder. You can push and pull. Make sure your palms are facing each other. And keep taking long and deep breaths in and out. And as you inhale, come back to the center. And as you exhale, twist to the left and look over your left shoulder. Your feet are firmly placed on the floor. And if you feel any discomfort in your knees, you can micro bend your knees. Keep your knees soft. And as you inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, relax your arms. If there's any discomfort in your arms and your shoulders, you can shake your arms and let go of that stress. So now let's do one more variation of this asana. For that, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing to the front. Balance your weight properly on both the feet. Now as you inhale, bring your arms to the front in front of the chest. And as you exhale, twist to the right. Place your left palm on the right shoulder and back of your right palm on the left buttock. Twist from your waist region, the abdominal region, the chest, shoulders, the neck, your arms, the entire upper body is twisted. Keep your knees soft. And feet firmly on the floor. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, twist to the left. Right palm on the left shoulder. Back of your left palm on the right buttock. Feet are firmly on the floor, on your mat. And keep taking long and deep breaths in and out. And as you inhale, come back to the center. And as you exhale, relax your arms. So this is Kati Chakrasana. It is very beneficial for you. It helps to strengthen your back muscles and also improves flexibility of the spine. It gives a nice massage to your internal organs. So practice this daily. Stay in every asana for 4 to 5 long and deep breaths in and out with a smile on your face.